Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple but tasty Ghana style smoked chicken palmnut soup. This is one of the best palmnut soup you've ever tasted. So if you are interested in knowing how to prepare this soup, please stay tuned and I shall see you next time for another Mrs. Dewey recipe. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as I said in my intro, I'm gonna make smoked chicken palmnut soup, and this is the smoked chicken here, and I have here 2 full chicken that I got from Pecan. I'm also gonna add 1 chopped onion, and this is finely chopped. I've got here my Scotch bonnet peppers. I have 3. I have 1 green chili. I have a lot of ginger, and I have 2 red onions. Don't worry about the color. I'm also going to add 1 full tablespoon of tomato puree, and I've got here my tomato plum, which was in a can. Please feel free to use the fresh ones if you like. And of course I'm going to use some palm soup base, and this is from Ghana. I'm going to add some salt and some garlic granules. I am also using all-purpose seasoning. I'll be also adding 2 small chicken cube stock. So in a large pan, I'm going to add my meat, and then I'm going to add 1 finely chopped medium-sized onion to give it more flavor. And then I'm going to add my 2 other onions, my ginger, my Scotch bonnet pepper, and my green chili. Next, I'm going to add some water. So this is about half a bowl of water. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoonful of tomato puree or tomato paste. Then I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of garlic granules, some salt, and then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and last but not least I'm going to add 1 small cube of chicken stock. Then I'm going to cover it and let it boil for about 10 to 12 minutes, and then I'm going to stir it and cover it back for another 5 to 7 minutes. Next, take out all the vegetable from it when the onions have become a bit softer. Then in your blender, add all the vegetable plus the plum tomatoes or fresh tomatoes if you use that one. Okay, it's not a problem, you can use either one. This is my own preferences, but that's just me. And then blend it until it becomes very smooth. Okay, next add it to the meat. You can also decide to strain it, but I don't usually do that, but please feel free to do it or not, but this is how I like it. And then give it a little stir and leave it on for about 5 minutes covered. Next, I'm gonna add my water, and since I have a lot of meat and I have decided to make a lot of soup, I'm gonna add here about 2.5 liters of water, but usually about 1.5 liter should be fine. Okay, so when you have done that, give it a good stir, put the lid back on and let it cook for another 20 to 25 minutes. And this is how it should look like, okay, with some oil on top. And then we're going to add our palm soup base. So I like the easy way. I just add it straight away to the soup but some people like to mix it with boiled water first. I can do that. I do it sometimes, but when I'm in a hurry, this is how I do it, and it works perfectly. So stir it, cover it again, but not fully, and leave it on for another 15 to 20 minutes until it boils. And this is how it should look like. Add some salt, some chicken cube stock, and guess what? I'm going to add prekese. Prekese, if you're Ghanaian, you know what prekese is. It gives an amazing flavor. And in English, I think it's ARIDAN pot. So you can Google the name, but I think that's the name. So leave it on and let it cook for another 10-15 minutes. And oh wow, this is a nice piece of meat we've got there. And your soup is ready when the oil comes on top of it. Don't worry about the oil. You can always scoop it and use it for something else, like apapransa. So guys, we decided to eat this with fufu. As a matter of fact, I asked my followers on Instagram if they wanted me to eat it with rice balls or with fufu, and the fufu won. So this is why I'm getting my fufu ready. And that's it. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It is very quick, very simple, and very tasty. So if you don't try it, you're going to miss out on this. So thank you for watching. As usual, I really like all of you for your comments, for your support. And again, if you are not following me on Instagram, please do. The Instagram name is it's_Dewey, and you'll find me there. The page is open and I post a lot of cooking, my family, my boys, everything, some funny things. So please follow me there. Thank you for your comments, your likes, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Take care.